Welcome to this short introductory video to the Total Widget Control plugin for WordPress 3.0. My name is Jonathan Bird. I'm the architect of this plugin and the co-founder of 520 Studios. We all know the problems that are associated with the widget management abilities of WordPress. The problem that I see stand out the most is not the management of the sidebar instances, or even the management of the widget instances. The main problem is that administrators can only create a one-to-one relationship between the widget instances and the sidebars. Our solution to this problem is a simple solution that adds a third relationship to this equation. We not only recognize the widget sidebar relationships, but with the Total Widget Control plugin, we now recognize a relationship between the widget, sidebar, and the current page. This solution allows you to add a widget instance to a sidebar and then define specifically which pages that you would like that widget to display on. Let's jump right into the software. This page here is the standard WordPress plugin management page for WordPress. Now, the plugin is already active on our system. We've installed it and we've activated it. The only difference that you're going to see off the bat is the addition of this button here in the top corner. By clicking on this button for the Total Widget Control, we now activate the new administrative area for the Total Widget Control. You can see that I still have the four sidebars, or the four widgets, and the sidebar relationships displayed on this screen. Not only that, but I still have the quick edit ability to simply click and define more information about my sidebar. Now, to get really in depth with these relationships, I'm going to go ahead and click on this widget in order to edit it. You can see now that we have a full page that's dedicated to the editing of this single widget. Over here on the right hand side, you'll notice that this is the standard fields for the calendar management. We also have the sidebar and the position for you to choose from here. In the future, we will also be adding into this equation the ability for access control levels so that you can choose whether or not administrators or any user type is also allowed to view this calendar or any other widget. Now, on the left hand side here, you'll notice that I have the same post meta boxes for the menu item controls for your menu navigation. Now, by selecting over here on the left the cart and then saving this page, now that is the cart page on my website here, you'll see that I've activated it on this page. Now I'm going to go ahead and deactivate it and save this again. And we'll see that the default sidebar is displaying on the website. Now, for example purposes, I'm just going to show you the sidebar here. Excuse me. I'm just going to go ahead and activate it on 2 pages and save that. I've activated it back on the cart page. And I've also activated it on the software page. But on no other page is this widget displayed. The addition of this third relationship adds a whole new generation is going to add a whole new generation of themes to WordPress. The ability for administrator to now micromanage their widgets is truly going to revolutionize theme building for developers. Now, in the future, we also will be building into our system an API to allow developers to extend the relationships and the amount of data that is saved into the individual widgets. We are sampling this API with our new widget wrapper. It's the first meta box of its kind that allows the administrator to choose the style of the widget on the pages that they would like to display it on. So here, excuse me, I have not defined any wrappers in this tutorial video, but I'll go ahead and define that in the future. But if I wanted to display a red background and a green background and a blue background, then my administrators would have that ability to choose from each of those. I hope that you enjoyed this small introductory video, and please head to the software download area and grab yourself a copy of this plugin.